And there are all those other colleagues of mine who received 40, 50, 60. At that point, the information we were giving help was used to determine the level of need to give us the funding that we needed. So this issue of banding has not started yesterday. It has been there, only that it was never disclosed to us that you have been given this 30,000 because your level of need was determined. It was never disclosed to us. What we have done and what government is doing is to disclose that funding will be advanced according to the level of need. Secondly, for those of us who are talking about the differentiated unit cost, the differentiated unit cost had many problems. I've not had any one of us here, now that we said, Bwana Secretary General, that this comrades chapter is a chapter that will be able to put together issues and mainstream the comrades in the policy-making process in government, because that is the intent. Leadership, mentorship. I have not heard from any one of us here who can come and present a comparative empirical analysis of the differentiated unit cost funding model and the new funding model, and then be able to advance the merits of the former against the demerits of the current. All that conversation is probably what the committee that has been established will come up with. But by the end of the day, the empirical fact is that the new, the differentiated unit cost framework of funding universities almost brought universities to a halt. 23 universities were almost becoming bankrupt. They were being liquidated because of that funding model. And now, this one, the lady who talked about the difference between, the need between affordable university education, right? She was there when she was speaking, so she's seated here, right? You may get to have data that there